JGG134, and today I'm bringing you a short, one day only, might be a lot of episode series called Late Event Grind Out. Or late event grind, last minute grind. I really don't want to do this event. I just want the JPBEK. That's what the new guns are called, the dual. They're like dual machine guns, something like that. Not the dual machine guns that back in the day. No. You see, I have 80 out of 175 shamrocks. All I need is what? 20 plus 75. All I need is 95 more shamrocks, and I got 80 more gold. I need 80 more gold. We had 85 gold plus 80. Yeah, 160. So I'm gonna have 175 gold. I'm gonna try to troll and get the airsoft SMG. I'm not gonna use that. But then I'm gonna get the guitar machine gun. I might put a review out for this. Skin looks good. Leprechaun. The skin looks like a leprechaun. Yeah, it's this guy. The skin is this guy because he has white gloves. So let's hop into multiplayer. As you see, it's 13 hours, 11 minutes, 50 seconds. Let's get in, do some stuff. I have to use the head, like I have to. Yeah. Rainbow's End. 4 damage, 3 range, 2 accuracy, and 2 agility. If you see my last video, I did a review of the Rainbow's End when I want to review. I'm gonna do a little small review right here. 28 rounds in a clip. 28 rounds in the clip has a fighting average guy on the stock. It says Rainbow's End. Look like a downside grip. Drum is like a bigger version of Little Italy. It holds 28 rounds, like I said last time. Those holes look like something like cool down holes or won't overheat. And I'm gonna do a review. I might do a review of the battle ram. Hey, look what my dumb self did. I bought one of the finally nerfed MIB Noisy Cricket. Men in Black. His hand might be fake. That was 185. Got the Blunderbuss. Baby. The Blunderbuss. And I'm saving up for the howitzer or the revolver. I don't know. Got the double barrel shotgun. No. Got the double barrel shotgun with all the gold from the event. That's why I have it so low. Yeah. So I might switch to double barrel. I might switch throughout double barrel or Rainbow's End throughout the video. So hop into multi. We got the rocket. People like James does Gaming Williams, so subscribe to him. This guy said, "Why is the rocket named Rocket?" Ooh, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that, so you're gonna kill me for a rocket. You just got GT. Oh, pot of gold! Let's go, baby. Thanks, buddy. You got the pot of gold for me? No, I got Rainbow's End. I got RE'd. Gun has a good range. Oh, we got this at the same time. Both drop medals. LMR Exomia. Oh, that was my kill. Death from below is one of the worst. Oh! I haven't seen anything in a while. Ooh, he got blown. He just got sticked. Oh, he just got grenaded. Oh, he got aristocrat. I hit with the aristocrat shotgun, maybe. Wish I would have. We should have had a credit card. Oh, come on, stop. Mr. Kawhi. Mr. Platinum. OP, Mr. Put shot down. I think I hit that good so bad. I only picked up 4. It don't matter. You know what? I'm in 7th place. I have 13 hours. I'm gonna do one more match. And I'm gonna end this video here and give you part 2. If this level is to load, here goes the Duke Hawaii. He's a pay-to-win guy, obviously. I'm not, because I earned my stuff all the way through level 44. No, level 39, actually, yeah. No, 35. You know. Cannot believe my account got reset. I'll be beast. Steve Record is over. Oh, these kids are. That's what I do best. I can't do what I do best anymore. Oh, XXK. Oh, Trap Metal Dropper. Yeah, Trap. Oh, okay. Really? That guy was about to reload. I can tell you. Betty's first. Yeah, just Sans first. Oh, really? He just got 4 shit marks. I would've got 8, but. Coat. I'm getting blue away part. Really? Nigga looks like how I chase used to look. That's Camper Tactics 101. I just showed you, but I didn't. Oh, they really should not have come out with that double barrel shotgun. Really? I can't. Oh my god. I am being destroyed. Well, I'm leaving the match. Leave, because this match is really irritating me. I want to show you better. I want to get Shamrocks instead of getting my Shamrocks taken. Like every time I'm in a good battle, I get Shamrock dropped. I'm gonna do team versus. Team versus that people are actually in it. A non-full match. Close to full, 6 guys in here. Those right here. Those the JP BEK. I want to get those. Oh my god, yeah, that's one. You made me. Oh, it's just how did it just scroll all the way down like that? Did she even do it first? guy's wearing a half full body. Oh yeah. Get pumped. Typical double barrel shot. Two. Bro, what the heck? Sorry, I got silent there for a while. I got silent for a while. After this match. Oh, I just got silent. I forgot I was even recording. That's how one tone it was. Oh my. The event grind is real. We said hit 100. Okay, hit 100. This record is horrible. I know it is. Yeah, he got the most event progress. 7 and 10. Well, I'm gonna leave this episode of Last Minute Event Grind here. If you liked it, keep on hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe for more videos like this. Look out for part 2. I'm not stopping until I finish this event, unless the event ends. So, see you guys in the next video.